So guys, the car is back running and now we're going to clear the interior and later we are going to put the cage in. So we finished cleaning the surface a little bit better than before. It still doesn't look perfect, but waiting for the cage and then the car goes to the paint shop. So we're gonna just do the other side as well, and yeah. Finished the part here as well. It might not be perfect, but yeah. So we're going keeping here, cleaning that back here. The trunk I'm gonna do another day probably, and I have to do the part here as well. So yeah, cleaning this up. So guys, now we are going to put in the cage inside the Evo. The cage is already here, the Evo is standing there. We are going to bolt the cage in and later we are going to weld the brackets. So I'm just gonna show you. So this right here is the cage from Safetydevice. We're just going here. So maybe it makes more sense to you guys. That is the left side, that is the right side of the car. Here are the bracket mounts. The brackets are inside the Evo. So I have to figure out where I'm gonna place the camera inside the car, and then we are going to bolt in the cage, and later we are going to weld in the brackets. So guys, as you can see, the cage is inside the car already. It's not bolted on fix currently. I still have to modify the brackets a little bit better. We are just test fitting it right now. I still have to modify them on both sides, left and right side. And yeah, we have to weld the back as well, and here as well, because the previous owner didn't weld there, so we just gonna weld it. Gonna try my best. And now I'm just gonna clean some surface a little bit. So guys, the brackets are finished now. As you can see, I had to weld the top a little bit, so it filled the space a little bit. On the left side we did the same. As you can see, it fits pretty good. It's not the best, but it's enough that you can weld it. And as you can see, by the way, I cleaned all surfaces. It's still a lot of dirt inside. I think here you see it the best. The surfaces are pretty clean. Of course not perfect, but for the moment that's pretty good. I don't have to do anything there. I just have to get all the dirt out. So yeah. So the next step is we are going to weld in the brackets. We have to weld the back here, and we have to weld the back here as well. I already cleaned everything so that I just can weld. So guys, the cage is inside now and the brackets are welded in. We are going to get the cage out now. So I'm getting the cage out so we can weld the whole bracket, and then we will see what's the next step. So guys, we are going to weld the bracket now.
Yeah.
So guys, we finished welding. Here's the bracket. Right side, left side. We welded the back as well here, as you can see. Left and right side. We welded the part down here as well. Now I'm gonna clean up the car inside. So guys, I cleaned the interior now. We are gonna put something on top of it that doesn't start to rust before it's going to paint, before it's going to the paint shop. On the back it's cleaned as well. As you can see, all surfaces are pretty nice. So yeah, we're gonna put that on top of it so it doesn't start to rust until I'm gonna get it to paint in a few months. The cage is back in. I didn't bolt it up the cage pretty good because the cage is getting color anyways, so I have to remove it again. I have to get 2 new bolts because I fucked the bolts up. Feels bad. But yeah, we're driving the car out now and that should be it.